Is decaf really a good choice? When it comes to coffee, there are two main camps, those who like it regular and those who prefer decaf. But what's the difference, really? Is decaf actually healthier for you? Let's take a look at the pros and cons of each type of coffee. Caffeine is a stimulant, which means it can have some pretty intense effects on your body. For some people, this is a good thing. It can help to increase energy levels and focus. But for others, caffeine can cause anxiety, jitters, and sleeplessness. If you're sensitive to caffeine, decaf coffee may be a better choice for you. Let's take a look at the positives. Pros. Decaf coffee still contains many of the beneficial antioxidants found in regular coffee. Decaf coffee is a good source of hydration. Decaf coffee can help you regulate your intake of caffeine. Cons. The decaffeination process can remove some of the beneficial compounds found in coffee beans. Decaf coffee may contain traces of caffeine. Decaf coffee may not be as effective as regular coffee in terms of providing a boost of energy. So, should you switch to decaf? If you're looking to improve your overall health, switching to decaf might be a good idea. Decaf coffee still has all the flavor of regular coffee, but without the negative side effects. And there's no need to worry about withdrawal symptoms. You can easily wean yourself off caffeine by gradually reducing your intake over time. So why not give decaf a try? You might just be surprised at how good it feels to kick the caffeine habit. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.